So here is our first topic that I call fluid balance moves. And in this section we will learn 3 basic hip movements: circle, figure 8 and Maya. And specifically in this video we'll try to put together basic hip circle. So let's start with our neutral standing position. Feet underneath hips, underneath shoulders, arms to the sides, slightly diagonal, remember, and we'll start pushing our hips just to the sides, to one side, center, and to another side, center. Let's keep doing it from side to side. Make sure that your chest stays on one spot. I'm not pushing my hips with counterbalancing with my chest, so I'm not doing this. No, chest stays where it is. And I go to one side, center, to another side, center. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and. If you're wearing a skirt or pants like me and you have a straight line, the good checkpoint also will be to turn to the mirror or record yourself and then see on the video if you keep this line straight. So we don't want to do anything like this. We are not creating any diagonals, no, we keep it straight. Just push, push. And I not only pull with my working hip, meaning the same hip, the same direction I'm going, but I'm also pushing with my opposite hip. So if I go to my left, I push with my right hip as much as I pull with my left hip to this side, and then I switch. This helps me to maintain one line and literally go just straight from side to side. So let's go without stopping in the center, just from one side to another side. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. No twisting, no tucking in or out, up or down, just straight, strictly to the side. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Let's do doubles. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1 and a bit further, side and a bit further. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Keep chest stabilized, it doesn't move. Make sure your arms are still in a nice wide position, elbows supported. We're not dropping arms, no, we keep them straight. And now let's go just from side to side. Side, 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 side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure your pelvis is still in neutral position. We're not tucking in, we don't have a sway back. It's nice, straight posture. So from the side, I'm not doing this. Just keep the neutral centered position and try to avoid twisting as much as possible. Like I really want to go strictly to the side. Just drawing one line as much as possible. Let's do a little bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Doubles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Single to side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Doubles again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again singles. Now bring your attention to the knees. They are straight all the time. I'm really pushing through my muscles only. I'm not helping with my knees. I'm not helping with my heels. Heels are on the floor, knees are straight, and I just push from side to side, side to side. Nice, relax. And now let's go, instead of side to side, we'll go forward and back. So when I go forward, I think about these two bones pushing my belly forward. So again, the idea is that I'm not counterbalancing with my chest. No way. My chest stays as it is, as my shoulders, they are on top of my heels. But you remember this 3-point connection? Shoulders, hips, heels. They're on one line. Now imagine these 3 points, and my middle point, my hips, I push forward. But shoulders and heels still maintain the same line. So I only push forward hips as much as I can. It's not gonna be huge movement, but the idea is just I'm pushing forward and I'm sort of pushing my belly muscles out as much as I can, while pushing my hips to the front too. Again, make sure you're not doing this. I'm not bending my back. I literally just push as much as I can to the front, and my belly muscles. You remember we were talking that your lower belly especially is always engaged to make sure that you have a nice posture of the back. So even in this position, it's still slightly engaged. I'm not fully relaxing it. I'm just pushing it forward. And then the same 2 bones together, push to neutral and push back. So, not with the chest front, no, chest stays as it is. I just push 2 bones, both hips to the back. And if you notice, it creates a really straight and elongated back. And in this position, you should feel a light stretch in your lower back area. If you don't feel any stretch here, you're probably either doing sway back, which is not what we want right now, or you just don't go to your maximum possibility. So we just push back, again, making sure that our skirt or pants line is on the same horizontal position to the back. So I'll just turn to you facing front, but we are going the same, forward and back. So I push forward, and I push back, and neutral, and forward, neutral, back, neutral, forward, chest is elevated, we are not moving chest, neutral, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try doubles. Forward, 2, back, 2, forward, 2, back, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And singles a bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. Out, in, out, in. Front, back, front, back, front, back, front, and doubles one more time. Double, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's combine from side to side, front and back. So we'll do 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. And from neutral position, 1, 2, 3, 4. And again from neutral position, again from side to side. Let's try. Every time we switch after 4th count. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, and side. 1, 2, 3, 4, and switch. 1, 2, 3, a bit faster, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and front, back, and side, 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 and front, back, one more time, side, 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 and front, back, relax. Now, let's use the same two movements but combine them in a different order, different variations. So we'll go, instead of side to side, we'll go side. Then from here we'll push to the front. Then we'll push to another side. And then we'll push back. So, side, front, side, back. Side, front, side, back. Make sure that this line stays horizontal throughout the sequence. So I'm not tucking anything up or down or in or out. It's just on one level. 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and switch direction. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. A couple more times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last time. 1, 2, 3, 4. And relax. Now, we basically did our circle just now. The only difference, we were stopping at every point of this circle. So we had 4 points throughout continuous circle. But now let's try to go through the same positions of our hips without stopping. So we'll go from side, then we slowly move it to the front without stopping, moving to the side and going back. And start again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Chest doesn't move. Arms are wide and open. Shoulders are down and long and elongated neck. And we go with hips side, front, side, back. Side, front, side, back. Front, side, front, back, front, side, front, and change direction. Side, front, side, back. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Keep going. Side, front, side, back. Side, front, side, back. Side, front, side, back. Front, side, side, back. Change direction. Side, front, side, back. Side, front, side, back. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and relax. So, congratulations, you just learned your first belly dance move, which is a complete hip circle.